Hello, welcome to NerdTube. This is update from Tuesday shooting in Juba in capital city of South Sudan. We have update about what actually happened that night. They say that here, I'm going to read it for you so that you can get the full information. They say South Sudan People Defense Force has say the shooting on the night of Tuesday in Juba were meant to stop two motorists who refused to be searched at two checkpoints by security personnel. So there's two people who are riding bike and they do not want to stop. So that is why they have the shot the bullet on the air. Uh, uh, but the news that we got on Tuesday here, actually, it was not in one place. Like there are two places that this incident really occur. You know that in South Sudan there are too much, uh, problem. Uh, the reason why I'm saying this is because people fear a lot when they hear gun noise, all this kind of thing. It freak people, it scare people. So people who are looking for answers, why it happened, all this kind of thing. So there we have it. They say that it is chased as two motors bike rider refused to stop at a certain checkpoint in capital Juba. That was the case. So that's it. Thank you. So please share it with others so that it cannot confuse them. So this thing left many people wondering what happened and all this. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.